In order to get a bet, you gotta stand around the people that's standing around the car.
Put your pepper on like you did. You got your little dick on there.
Where you betting at?
I like the Mustang.
Mustang. Where you at? Mustang.
How you gonna argue this danica? Come on now.
Give me 3 to 2 then. All right.
Oh, damn this big blue. Missing her. That's that high fructose. I'm about to turn TikTok back on.
Still looking for you. Anything they can get that they think it with, they feel like we want, because they can't do it. Well, it's pitiful, bro. Listen, when I get the camera on me, when I get their daddies on me, you gonna see, bro.
You gonna see, boy.
When I get their daddy on me, you gonna see. Oh, that's his daddy.
Yeah, you is. Okay, let me see something.
Y'all keep it going. Hey, but this boy keep it
Where y'all going? Damn.
Small block, a big block. Come here. Come here. Come here, look out. Small block, a big block.
Word. All right. This is the car that's finna race. They are animals. Look out. I don't even think I've run cars today. You probably bet it against me. I got the cars in the car, I think. Okay. I got hats in the car too. I got hats in the car. Bet fish. red light.
Yes, sir! You don't even know how to get up. I got Camaro, and you don't even know how to get up out here. You got your ass whooped. You got your ass whooped. You shouldn't even. I don't even know. You can have everything in racing.
He said he can have everything in racing. Weak motherfucker.
Your ass whooped. You shouldn't even be talking. You gotta sell that old goddamn. And you on TV get that.
Look out.